All right, so XLM failed to stay above a key level here. We have resistance overhead waiting for us at 27 cents. This is a key level. We need daily candles opening and closing above to reconfirm as support as we await the return of bullish Robo advisors, currently under the influence of sell suggestions ever since the middle of November here. Since these most recent sell suggestions, price action has experienced 35% in downside and is still currently more than 24% down at current levels since those bearish Robo advisors. Last time we saw XLM, we were interacting above support here. We even had a bull signal here printing on the 3rd of January. However, we needed that daily candle to close to confirm that buy signal. We failed to confirm it on the 3rd. We see an interaction with the bull signal on the 4th of January. However, with today's daily candle here, it would appear we are being met with a bear signal. So we are continuing the downside here toward the strongest area of support down below, which may be waiting for us at 22 cents. This is a key level of support I'm looking for interaction with, as long as bearish Robo advisors are in play. So at the moment, we are looking for further confirmations of support and the return of buy signals. This combination of Robo advisors suggested a bullish area of accumulation around the 26 cent level throughout the end of July. After accumulation, prices saw up to 63% in upside, and if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, you were technically still able to capitalize on 20% ROI if you chose to close your position at or above the bearish suggestions met on the 10th of September there. And after those sell signals, price action found support after 19% in downside before becoming bullish again. EngineeringRobo suggested an area of accumulation around the 31 cent level. After accumulation, prices saw up to 38% in upside, and if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, technically you were still able to capitalize on over 8.5% ROI with EngineeringRobo's most recent sell suggestions, and you were saved from well over 30% in downside there if you chose to take profit throughout November. So we are just awaiting bullish parameters to be met. We need 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors to become bullish again, and we need confirmations of significant support down below. So right now I'm looking at resistance present at 27 cents. We need that to become support before we can anticipate upside toward the next area of resistance, 39 cents. In the immediate short term here, I'm anticipating continued interaction toward 22 cents. Let me know your thoughts on XLM. Here we have an article titled Samsung Launches Metaverse Store in Decentraland. We actually talked about an article where Samsung was getting into the NFT space, and as we can see, they are further making their strides toward it, announcing the opening of a virtual replica of its iconic New York physical store in order to enhance customer interaction at a time when, global distraught is keeping people away from physical shops. The Samsung Metaverse Store is a replica of a real-world shop situated in New York. The Samsung 837X shop will now be accessible in the metaverse for a limited time. The company claims that it is one of the largest brand land takeovers in Decentraland, a blockchain-powered metaverse. The article continues with how you will first need to access the store via a web browser. After logging in, your avatar will be sent outside Samsung's metaverse structure. When the avatar enters a lobby, a virtual guide will lead the avatar to one of 3 interior rooms: sustainability, customization, and connection. The Samsung 837X store will feature connectivity theater and sustainability forest, as well as a musical event at the customization stage. And at the bottom of the article, it talks about the NFT platform that Samsung is implementing with its upcoming line of smart TVs that we covered in an article just a couple days ago. So in my opinion, this is very bullish incentive for cryptocurrency. We can see, huge, players in the world of traditional finance getting into crypto, getting into NFTs and the metaverse. In my opinion, this is a, very, bullish bias for Bitcoin and crypto, even though we have been having some, rather tragic red days here in the immediate short term. In my opinion, huge organizations like this wouldn't be getting in at this time if they, saw downside pending for cryptocurrency. So personally, I believe this is rather bullish for the continued upside for crypto overall, even though we are experiencing some rather tragic red days here in the short term. Let me know your thoughts down below on crypto, though. Well, what do we have here? Green to be seen across the crypto sphere. We have lots of projects beginning to recover, experiencing some nice upside here after the, tragic red days we've been having. I've always been mentioning a rather bullish bias here. It's going to take, some far more dramatic, news or price action for me personally to become bearish on crypto. But as you can see, lots of projects in the green today. ICP, Chainlink, SCRT, Dash experiencing, 15, 16, 17% in upside respectively. Sushi's in the green today, Tezos, XLM, Yearn Finance. Lots of projects in the green beginning to experience some upside here. The coins in the red, however, are experiencing, the most downside is 6.1% for coin symbol LEO. Price action is definitely remaining, strong at potential support here. As we can see, this downside is very minimal in my opinion. Zooming out to the week, we do see some projects continuing to experience upside here. As we mentioned, ICP, Chainlink, experiencing some very nice upside here. Phantom in the green, Yearn Finance we mentioned. Harmony in the green as well, seemingly unfazed by, Bitcoin's price action. In addition to Cosmos here, experiencing some very nice upside, holding against the, tragic, red that has been occurring. Lots of projects here in a more, slightly dramatic form of consolidation, a pullback, a dip. We have Spell experiencing 31% in downside. That is going to be the most downside we're going to be seeing here. It would appear everything else, except for a handful of projects here, experiencing less than 20% in downside. And in crypto, in my opinion, this is very normal price action for crypto currently, and I still believe huge players in the traditional world of finance would not be getting in at these levels under these conditions if they thought crypto was going to continue its descent. But let me know your thoughts on crypto though. Taking a look at Project Harmony, coin symbol ONE, price action interacting with a key level here, however, seemingly unfazed by Bitcoin's recent episode here. Price action does seem to want to make its way upward as we look to confirm potential resistance as support. 30 cents needs to become support here. Daily candles opening and closing above 30 cents. 0.30926 to be exact would confirm support down below. And under the influence of bullish Robo advisors, we can anticipate continued upside here. This combination of Robo advisors suggested a bullish area of accumulation throughout the beginning of August around the 7-cent level. After accumulation, prices saw up to 384% in upside. If you weren't able to sell at that swing high, we do have bearish parameters met technically at the 23-cent level, allowing you to capitalize on 201% ROI if you chose to take profit at or above that level. And as you can see, since those sell suggestions, price action did experience a quick 43% in downside before becoming bullish again, experienced an interaction with support present at 17 cents. This is going to be the strongest area of support waiting for us if we were to get rejected and continue any sort of downside. At the moment, we are interacting with potential resistance here until daily candles can confirm it as support. So I personally am bullish on continued upside here as long as, bullish Robo advisors are present. I would like technically a, break and confirmation of support at this key level before I can begin comfortable accumulation. Quickly taking a look at Yearn Finance, seemingly unfazed by Bitcoin's abrupt movements here. Price action setting a higher high on the 3rd of January relative to a swing high on the 20th of December. Rather bullish here, it would appear, having very bullish interactions with a significant area of support as well. $31,677 is going to be an area of support that daily candles are looking to continue interaction with, it would appear. At the moment, we are interacting with a potential key level present at $34,544. Daily candles holding above that would be bullish for continued upside. However, the strongest area of support and the most bullish area of accumulation is still going to be $31,677. We are under the influence of buy suggestions. My target here in the immediate short term here, when support has been confirmed, which it does seem to be confirmed, price action is headed toward resistance present at $43,097. That is going to be the next area of resistance I anticipate interaction with. Once we've broken it and confirmed it as support, we can anticipate continued gains as long as bullish Robo advisors are present. And we have, been under the influence of bullish Robo advisors ever since the, middle of December here. So we're looking for continued upside here, continued bullish interaction with support as long as buy suggestions are present. Resistance overhead at $43,000. Now, Bitcoin, crypto, the currency currently in search of the strongest area of support. At the moment, I am anticipating continued interaction toward $34,655 per Bitcoin, as we are under the influence of bearish Robo advisors ever since the middle of November here. Price action, in my opinion, still very much wants to recover and wants to be bullish. We have, tons of speculation recently with, certain bearish reversal patterns on higher time frames, and nobody really knows where Bitcoin will go in the immediate short term. However, in my opinion, as an investor in Bitcoin, it's going to take a lot more than, like 40% in downside from all-time highs for me to become bearish, if you will, on Bitcoin. I get in trouble for how bullish I am on crypto. I could be referred to as a perma bull, if you will. However, from a trader's perspective, you got to go with the flow of the market. And in my opinion, we are searching for support still. So I anticipate continued interaction downward here. Once bullish Robo advisors return, we can anticipate, moon-based gainage. Let me know down below your thoughts on cryptocurrency currently. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.